Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video of Fantail Pigeon. So today I am going to feed all this young fancy bird in my hand. As you can see, there is nothing, but also they are trying to asking for food. So now I will feed slowly, but before that I'm gonna show you my crossbreeding pair Fantail babies, as I have updated before also. This white one, which you have already seen this from outside, that one was rescued one. So I will take out that male and show you both babies. I hope you can see these birds. One is black and one is white. White is also not full white beak, but let's see what type of baby will they be when they will be adult. So about this poster one, this sweet bird is also growing very well. And about this beautiful king pair, I've already kept so much hay in their nest. As you can see, male is covering one egg. This king female had laid yesterday one egg. So as you can see, this egg, king is very aggressive bird, so I won't disturb them. So without wasting any time, I'm going to feed these beautiful fantail birds. I'm going to feed this. I've soaked 24 hours this black chickpeas in water, so that it has already like this. So I'm going to feed this to them in my hand. I will take little and I'm going to feed this beautiful fantail. Come on, hey. As you can see, they eat very enjoyably. They enjoy a lot to eat this soaked chickpeas. So like this, if you will feed like this before keeping food, you need to feed like this to your birds, so that they will be friendly with you and they won't be scared from you. As you can see, these all fantail birds are very friendly with me. If I will touch their head, if I will touch their neck, anything else, they won't go far away from me. So as you can see, they come here and like this they play with my hand. So now again I am going to feed more. Again I have taken this. As you can see, they come and eat like this slowly. So if you will do like this, first time they won't eat, but when they are hungry and they wanna eat, they will eat directly like this. You can feed like this and it will help you all to be friendly with these birds. Actually, when they was smaller, I always hand feed them. About 20 days or 15 days I started hand feeding to all these fantails, so they are now not scaring from me. You can also do like that and feed always like this, then they will be very friendly with you. As you can see, these all birds are fantails, white color, chocolate color, lavender color fantails. They all are very friendly with me. So I hope you like this video, and if you wanna be friendly and tame your birds like this. Start to do from today like this, then your birds will be very happy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe to Fantail Pigeon. So have a nice day.